Justice and freedom for all. A dark knight has arisen, but where does he hail from? Fight to free all liberty, slashing down oppressors to set our people free. His name is Zorro. Zorro.
Water in the river. You are!
What is this? Quick, children. We must be heading home now.
What for, Tina? It's a nice day, and we're having fun. Tina's had a vision, silly dodo brain.
Oh!
Whoa! Easy! Easy! Calm down!
Father, look! There's a huge storm headed our way. I'm afraid the grandmother's village might not withstand it.
Don't worry, Ines. Your grandmother, Tina, knows storms like nobody's business. She'll keep the tribe safe. You and me, alone at last.
Garcia! Gonzalez!
Coming, sir!
Whoa!
Oh, my poor little roasted hen!
Hurry up! This chest absolutely has to be in Monterey for the party at the governor's mansion.
Hurry up, Corporal! You heard the captain, didn't you?
Oh, my presents! Garcia! Gonzalez! Be careful with that horrible warrior headdress. If it gets damaged, the governor won't want it for his collection.
Come back! Come back!
Losing your feathers, Sergeant?
Don Diego, you saved the day. These warrior headdresses are gifts to the governor on behalf of Captain Monasterio. It's a mission of the utmost importance.
This costly item is from the Yaqui tribe. Very rare. I've always heard that they'd rather die than give one up. This gift is literally priceless, Sergeant.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait for me here.
My dear Yuma, a very old acquaintance in Mexico City says that Captain Monasterio is about to give big gifts to the governor, Don Parasol. I hear that among them is an ancestral Yaqui headdress.
What? That dog. He dared steal our...
I suspect he probably bought them from bandits. It's sad, isn't it? Since you've left, plenty of ruthless bandits keep stealing treasures from your tribe.
The spirit of our ancestors is in these headdresses. In the wrong hands, this could...
Not for much longer. You will rescue your ancestors' spirit, Yuma. And you won't see any harm in letting me keep the rest of the gifts, will you? In exchange for my help. If you're disguised, Monasterio will mistake you for Zorro and his accomplices. while he chases after Zorro uselessly, you and I will be scot-free.
Very well. That should teach Zorro never to cross Yuma.
You two are free to go now. We're done. You should go see if Taina needs any help.
Thanks, Father. We'll be home by nightfall. The storm's moving in. The wildlife can sense it. We need to move fast, Bernardo. Yeah!
These presents are perfect. The governor won't forget me the next time he signs promotions. Garcia! Oh, I want a ready escort. We're heading out within the hour.
Yes, sir, Captain. No sooner said than done. Lancers, prepare to, start preparing.
What do we do?
No arguing. Orders are orders. This insubordination will not be tolerated. Corporal, prepare the troops to prepare as soon as you are prepared. Doing prep work really works up your appetite. I'll head over to the inn for a little something to eat before we head out. What's this? You let your horses escape at the first little gust of wind? You should act like soldiers, not little old ladies. Yes. I am prepared to order ham. Come back! And a nice tortilla to finish it all. What the dickens is going on? What is with all this wind? Huh?
I'm going. Wait for me here.
You can't attack them alone, my brother.
A Yaqui chief protects his men, and the spirits protect him.
Huh?
Zorro! Lancers, to arms! Alert! Guards!
Not so fast.
Surrender! You're fried!
Let go of me!
Oh, he's gone!
You idiot!
Now, you be nice, girls. Good girls. Oh, dear, this is horrible. You heard the captain, right? If we don't round up those horses, we'll be stuck pulling toilet duty the whole year.
It's all your fault. You're just a belly on legs.
Whoa.
If you hadn't opened the gates to head off to eat at the inn, we wouldn't be in this fix.
Here, pretty horsey.
What's going on, Sergeant? You preparing some sort of show with our friend Gonzalez here?
Ah, Don Diego, if you only knew. It's terrible. Zorro stole the chest of rare gifts for the governor. And you can see our horses have run away. And worst of all, I haven't had any lunch.
Goodness, that Zorro has no respect for anything. If I may, gentlemen, my advice for retrieving your horses, try doing the high-pitched neigh that fillies do.
Thank you, Don Diego.
Mommy!
Let's go. We'll be safe from the storm in the caves.
Grandmother!
Ines, you're worried about me? Well, child, I've weathered many a storm in my day. Just a bit further. You can all rest very soon.
Grandmother!
China!
Grandmother. Sisquak, we can't wait for the storm to blow over. We have to get Tina to the hacienda for some proper care.
We'll never make it to Don Molapensas like this.
It's because of your horse. He's just like you. Always moves at a snail's pace.
No, it's because of you, Sleepy.
Knock it off! I'll take the chest. We can't stay here. We must find shelter.
Don't worry, Grandmother. We're all safe and sound in this cave. Yakis!
Inés de la Vega. What a nice surprise.
Do you see that? Zorro? So now you're working with these bandits?
What do we do with them?
We'll see later. Tie them up and keep a close eye on them.
Ah, Diego, you're back. Inés and Bernardo set out to go help Tina. They should have been back by now.
Don't worry, Father. I'm sure they've already taken shelter. Go back to the hacienda and get some rest. I'll ride round the ranch to make sure all the animals are indoors.
Let's go, Tornado.
Yeah, Tornado! In this howling storm, the thief will certainly be holed up. Quick, Tornado, or we'll be caught in the storm too.
My lucky day. I will now finally see the face of that mystery man Zorro. Yuma! How terribly disappointing to see that the great Zorro is nothing but a common Yaqui bandito.
Silence, or I'll put a gag on you. We'll keep the Yaqui ancestral heirlooms, but that's all.
That's all? Then you must have a really greedy accomplice.
Nobody could be less generous than Don...
Shut up, blabbermouth!
This is where he's hiding. No, these horses belong to Inés and Bernardo.
What?
It's kind of cold outdoors, and I noticed the light in here. Mind if I stay?
Zorro!
Wait, I thought that you were Zorro. Senor, I don't know which of you is Zorro, but you can see we've been tied up by those banditos.
Yuma, you're the thief in the garrison? Nice disguise. No, actually, that cape is way too shabby.
You talk too much.
One. And two. I'm going to lead the Yakis far away. Run for it.
Let your chief through!
You're the chief? I thought it was him, given you hide behind him.
You insult one Yaqui, you insult all Yakis! Get him, men! You two, you will stay here, and you will guard the prisoners and the chest.
Finally! I think I'll just have a little nap.
Faster!
I'll tell you what, I'll wait for you guys on the finish line. Yeah!
Stop! We won't catch up with him. Let's go.
We're going to need a new plan. Now what?
Oh, come back! Come back! Come here, my darling. Come see Papa Garcia. Oh, he's a cute little horsey and loves his sergeant. Zorro!
Zorro!
Need any help, gentlemen? Don't worry, amigos. I'll take your horses back to your captain. Follow me.
Get off this horse, Corporal! That's an order!
No! I spotted it before you did!
Captain, I have a surprise for you.
Zorro! Oh, you'd show your face here!
But I have a problem with bandits, and I can't handle it all alone. Will you kindly come help me?
Lancers, arrest him!
Many thanks, Captain. I knew that I could count on you.
What?
Catch him! Hurry up! I see him! Don't let him get away! Come on! Come on!
Zorro!
I'll get you this time.
Get you now, Zorro!
More friends are coming.
What does all this mean? Is it two Zorros?
See? He's the fake Zorro, but he's the real thief who stole your chest.
I recognize you. You're the leader of that gang of thieves.
Go for it, Bernardo. I'll stay here with Grandmother to protect her. Grandmother, are you all right?
Well, gentlemen, now that you've been introduced, I'll leave you to it. Adios!
Arrest them all! Get
Hey, what are you after me for? Attack!
Over there! Over there!
Halt!
Excuse me. No, excuse me.
I'm telling you, you've got the wrong guy. I didn't steal your chest.
Shut up, thief bandit! Ragamuffin! It's a fine day to show off my...
Your tidy-whities?
Don't move, Captain! I'm coming, sir! Hold on! I'm flying! Oh, Mommy! I want
Oh, my back! Oh.
A Yoki never surrenders.
Hey, I thought Yakis never ran away either.
We need to get Tina to the hacienda. Hurry off now before Monasterio comes.
Your wild herb soup was exactly what I needed.
There you are. At last, Diego.
Tell me about it, Father. It was horrible. One of our cows was out in the storm, and I wound up chasing it all night. But the event inspired me to write a poem. You want to hear it?
No.
No!
It's all your fault that we got captured. You run about as fast as an ailing snail.
And you fight like a baby bird fallen from its nest.
I am so sorry, Captain.
Move it, you pack-saddle oafs!
Hey, look! Malapensa! He will help us.
Congratulations, Captain. Fine work. We have to show these thieving bandits who's in charge here.
You double-crossing rattlesnake.
A chest? Compliments of Zorro.
Corporal, don't just stand there. Go over there and open it.
Yes, sir.
I am returning your chest, but without the headdresses stolen from the Yakis. They will be returned to them. Faithfully, Zorro. What an honest man that Zorro.
Garcia, Gonzalez, you're on toilet duty for a full year.
Hello, my friend. These headdresses belong to the Yakis. They were shamelessly stolen from your people.
Many thanks, Zorro. You're an adversary with valor. Yuma will not forget.
Adios!